Hello and welcome to the video. Today we'll be talking about the thesis statement, which I guess you have already learned and have been taught every year, but hopefully it's a review. Learning how to write an essay is one of the most significant skills. Strong essays demonstrate not only your ability to write clearly, but also that you have interesting ideas and you can think critically. The most important part of an essay where you introduce your ideas is the thesis statement. So let's start out with what thesis statement is. Thesis statement is one-sentence explanation of your essay that states your position on the topic and supported with reasons. A good thesis statement acts as a roadmap for the reader. It gives the reader an idea of the most important points of an essay. It will also help keep you, the writer, from getting lost in a complicated, directionless argument. It helps you organize your paper. How to create the thesis statement? For this, you can use the thesis formula to create your thesis statement. First, choose the topic of your paper. The topic is pretty easy to understand. It's a topic of your essay. The next step to consider is claim. The claim introduces your interpretation or states your opinion or analysis about the topic. Choose a point about the topic, whether you are in favor of it or against, you agree with it or not with the topic, and so on. And then think of your reason, the evidence supporting your claim. You may ask a question, there are thousands of reasons, which one to write? The answer is simple. Choose those reasons that you can talk about and analyze. Three-point thesis statement is the strongest kind of thesis statement. A three-point thesis statement has three pieces of evidence that persuade the reader to accept your claim. It is also important to identify reasons of the statement in the same order they will be presented in the body paragraph. By reading the thesis, the reader expects that first body paragraph is your first reason, second body paragraph is your second reason, third body paragraph is your third reason, in order to follow smoothly your ideas and create predictable organizational structure. The final stage in creating the thesis statement is to consider whether your thesis statement is clear or not. In this regard, statement should be first a statement. The thesis statement is a statement, it's not a question, and you cannot grab your reader's attention by asking question. Take a little time and say which of these examples is correct and which is incorrect. Right, first is incorrect and second is correct. Have you ever thought why Mary Poppins is popular among children is incorrect as it does not introduce your position to the topic? Second, your thesis statement should be clear and coincide. Don't be vague, otherwise you cannot capture reader's attention. Well, take another minute and say which of these examples is correct and which is incorrect. Right. First is incorrect and second is correct. Third, not confrontational. Although you are trying to prove a point, you cannot force your ideas on the reader. Study the examples for a while and say which of these examples is correct and which is incorrect. Right? One is incorrect, second is correct. Well, let's go back to our essay topic. Analyze the factors affecting the growth of population. Here is a sample thesis statement. Population growth is supposed to be affected strongly by the nation's welfare, government policy towards population, and immigration flow as well. The topic is population growth is affected. The claim that states your position is supposed strongly. Reasons are nation's welfare, government policy towards population, immigration flow. And lastly, I'm sure you know this already, just to be safe. The thesis statement takes place in the introductory part of your essay, and it should not be more than one sentence or two. Thesis statement serves as an organizing principle of your essay. Thesis statement states your position on the topic. Thesis statement's formula is topic plus claim plus reasons. Thesis statement appears in the introductory part of your essay. Your entire essay will prove the thesis statement. Finally, your assignment. Write a summary for the video as well as your hot questions. Suggest thesis statements to your 5 topics from the previous assignments and write why you think that your thesis statements are strong. Until next time.